Are you ready to start making money online, even if you have zero experience? In this video, I'll show you 5 highly profitable freelance jobs that you can start today using AI tools. These aren't just random gigs. They are real, in-demand services that clients are actively paying for. The best part? You don't need to be a professional. These AI tools will do the heavy lifting for you. Let's get started. Number 1. AI content writing businesses. Bloggers and YouTubers need content, a lot of it, but most of them don't have time to write it themselves. That's where you come in. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai, you can create high-quality blog posts, emails, scripts, and website content in minutes. Here's what you can do. Offer article writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create SEO blog posts using AI. Sell content bundles to businesses or startups. You can easily charge $30 to $100 per article, depending on the length and quality. Number 2. Video script writing plus AI video creation. Video content is exploding. Companies want explainer videos, social media reels, and YouTube scripts fast. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write engaging scripts, and then use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Steve.ai to generate entire videos from those scripts. No camera, no editing skills, no actors needed. You can charge $50 to $200 per video, especially if it includes voiceover and visuals. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels and digital marketing agencies. Number 3. AI voiceover services. Text-to-speech is no longer robotic. With 11 Labs or Murph.ai, you can generate natural, emotional, and realistic voiceovers in multiple accents and languages. Here's how to make money. Offer voiceovers for YouTube, TikToks, e-learning, or podcasts. Create full audiobook narrations. Customize voices for different clients. Some freelancers make $500 plus per month just doing AI voiceovers, and the tools are super easy to use. Number 4. AI logo and brand design. Don't know graphic design? No problem. With tools like Looka, Brandmark, or Canva's AI-powered design suite, you can generate entire branding kits, including logos, banners, color palettes, and typography with just a few clicks. Offer branding packages on freelancing sites or build a store on Etsy or Gumroad. Charge $50 to $300 per project, depending on the scope. Some people build full businesses around this, and you can too. Number 5. Resume and LinkedIn optimization using AI. Everyone wants a great job, but most people hate writing resumes or optimizing their LinkedIn. That's where you can help. Use ChatGPT to write powerful resumes, cover letters, and professional LinkedIn bios. Use tools like Resume AI or EnhanceV for templates and formatting. Post your gig on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Offer a full job seeker package for $100 to $200. If you deliver results, clients will keep coming back and referring others. So there you have it, 5 powerful freelance jobs that you can start right now without any previous experience, just by using AI tools smartly. The world is changing, and AI is opening up massive opportunities. You can either wait or start building your online income today. Which one of these jobs are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a money-making idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.